Hey guys, are you looking into the Dyson V8? Now I'm going to save you a lot of time. I think this is one of the best smart buys because it really delivers strong, reliable performance at a more affordable price compared to the newer Dyson models, making a great balance for value and quality. Now, it has a 115 air watts of suction, handles both carpets and floors effectively, including the pet hair, while still being lightweight and easy to use. Also highly versatile, converting quickly into a handheld vacuum for cleaning furniture, stairs, cars. So it can replace multiple cleaning tools in one. On top of that, the 40-minute of runtime, simple two power modes, make it practical for everyday use. Whether you're doing quick cleanup or full home cleaning, overall, this thing offers premium Dyson performance without that premium price, which is why it really stands out as a smart, well-rounded choice. I want you to listen for yourself and watch this thing in action. And hopefully this helps and enjoy your new Dyson V8. It's kind of pushing it around. It'll suck it, but it's pushing around a little bit. We're gonna try max mode here. Max mode.